instant collaboration fuels innovation and helps maintain your competitive edge. Achieve this by leveraging communities on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Creating a community is simple. Start by defining the title and description. Add a custom thumbnail and configure the community features. When ready, invite other users and start collaborating. Communities can be secured by member-only access or open to the entire company for individuals to join. For quick access to frequently visited communities, drag and drop them into the favorites list. From here, publish posts to share news, make announcements, record details, kick off discussions, and more. Share ideas and organize their evolution. Filter for content on a certain subject or by engagements and easily find trending topics of interest. Ask questions and get answers quickly to organically build a knowledge base that is always available for you and new members of the team. For more structured posts, use the wiki to capture important details, meeting notes, and standards. Launch surveys to collect input and drive timely decisions as you move your business forward. All of this social engagement is instant and secure. Leverage communities on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to improve your team's ability to collaborate and innovate.